Hello, welcome to Mini Orange. Having a second factor authentication while logging into any service we use has become a norm these days. You also get a reward for activating or enabling MFA in some cases, which is something extra, I guess. If you'd like to get in on this action, follow along. In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure YubiKey Hardware Token as the two-factor authentication method for end users, as well as admins in your Drupal site. Before we begin, you'll need to have the Mini Orange Drupal 2 FA module installed. You'll find the setup guide and download link in the video description down below. Once the module is installed, head over to the Configuration tab and select Mini Orange Second Factor Authentication. You'll be redirected to the Register/Login tab. Log in with your Mini Orange account. If you don't have an account, you can register and then log in. After a successful login, navigate to the 2FA Policy for End Users tab and enable the Enforce 2FA for End Users option. From the setup available 2FA methods, select YubiKey Hardware Token and click on Submit button. Now let's configure 2FA for the end user. To see this in action, navigate to your Drupal site and log in, and follow the steps on the screen. Insert the YubiKey in the USB port and touch the button. The one-time passcode from the YubiKey will be entered automatically. Upon confirmation, the user will have logged in successfully using the YubiKey Hardware Token as the 2FA method. Now let's configure 2FA for the admin. Please note that this is only for the admin who activated the module. For all other admins, follow the steps given in the end user's 2FA method. Navigate to the 2FA for the primary admin tab of the module. By default, OTP over email method is activated. Scroll down to the other 2FA methods section and click on the Configure button next to YubiKey Hardware Token. Tap on the YubiKey button. The one-time passcode from the YubiKey will be entered automatically. As you can see, the YubiKey Hardware Token method has been configured successfully. Let's see how 2FA works. The 2FA flow will be the same for both admin and end users. For now, we will test the end user 2FA flow. To do so, open an incognito or private browser window and log in with your user credential. Tap on the YubiKey button. The one-time passcode from the YubiKey will be entered automatically. The user has logged in successfully. Thank you for watching. Experience a full-featured 7-day trial to explore our two-factor authentication module as per your use case. Request the trial by emailing us at drupalsupport@securify.com.